Hey, it's Rashida checking in again from Mexico City. I just moved into my Airbnb this afternoon, leaving the Marriott Hotel on Reforma Avenue. Okay, so I made a mistake. I made a very large mistake. When I was searching for Airbnbs, I always search for whole apartment or home. And now I'm sure you can guess what happened here. I had the settings set up, had it filtered exactly like I like, a place with Wi-Fi, a place with washer and dryer, whole apartment. I left the search. I came back to the search. My settings, which I thought were all there, apparently were not all there. So now I'm in a shared apartment. And I didn't realize it until I moved in and my hostess told me what time her husband would be home from work. And my first response, no, she said, you'll get to meet him around 6. And I was like, why? Why would I don't want to meet your, and that's when it dawned on me that I'd be sharing this space. So, if you know me very well, you know that I don't really want to see anybody in the morning or at night or in the afternoon in the place where I live. So sharing an apartment is going to be a little bit of a challenge for me, but I have my own bedroom with a lock. I have my own bathroom, which I'm going to share. Yay for private bathroom. It's not attached, so I have to cross the hall to get to the private bathroom, but little things, little things. I'll be sure to be a little bit more cautious about my settings next time when I book on Airbnb. The place itself is nice. I'm half a block from Chinatown. It's a much more interesting neighborhood than where the hotel was, which is a little, downtown business district. This is much more neighborhoody. So I'm excited about going out and exploring. Like I said, I'm going to make the best of this Airbnb. I'm here until Friday, and then I'm not sure what's next. I was planning on going to a new location, but I haven't really had a chance to see much of Mexico City because my eye has been flaring and going outside when there's any sunlight is really painful. So I've been inside making some changes, doing some things, and getting some work done. And I hope maybe to have a few more days here where I can go out and see more of Mexico City and enjoy some more things like the delicious food. Well, I think that's it for now. Signing off. This is Sheeta D. Bye.